Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to share something that I truly think is a total game changer if you're using AI tools like ChatGPT, Claude, Gemini, or even MidJourney. Whether you're creating content, running a business, or just exploring AI for fun, this is one of those tools that takes everything you're doing and cranks it up to a whole new level. So here's the deal. I've been using AI for a while now. I've tested hundreds of prompts, explored all kinds of use cases, and honestly, I've had some big wins. And a lot of time-wasting dead ends. One thing became super clear. AI is only as good as the prompt you give it. If you feed it something vague, you'll get vague output. If your prompt is weak, your results will be weak. But if you give it something smart, specific, and well-structured, the results are next level. That's why when I came across PromptZilla, I knew I had to try it out, and I was not disappointed. PromptZilla isn't just a random bundle of prompts. It's one of the most organized and well-thought-out systems I've ever used. You're not just getting a giant list of copy-paste ideas. You're getting a fully categorized, clickable, interactive toolkit with over 100,000 prompts. Yes, 100,000. All crafted by experts who clearly know how to talk to AI. The moment I opened the Excel file, I was impressed. It's clean, it's structured, and it actually saves you time, instead of adding clutter to your workflow. Let me give you an example. Say you're trying to write a product description, or a YouTube script, or maybe you're brainstorming ideas for a business. Normally, you'd be hunting through forums, Googling best prompts, testing and tweaking, and just crossing your fingers that AI understands what you're trying to get. With PromptZilla, you literally open the file, click a category, like content creation, copywriting, social media, personal development, education, whatever, and boom, you have prompts ready to go. Just copy, paste, and watch the AI deliver gold. I use it for content every single week now. Need a hook for a new video? PromptZilla has 10 different options to try. Stuck on an email subject line? There's a prompt for that. Want to write a high-converting product description? Covered. It's like having a digital assistant who already knows exactly how to talk to your AI and get amazing output fast. But what I really love about this tool is that it works with literally every major AI platform. Whether you're a fan of ChatGPT, Claude, Gemini, or even something like MidJourney for creative visuals, these prompts are optimized to get results across the board. And it doesn't stop at marketing or content creation. There are prompts for productivity, mindset, goal setting, course creation, coaching, storytelling, you name it. It's not just a tool for marketers. It's useful for creators, students, entrepreneurs, freelancers, and honestly anyone trying to get more value out of AI. Now, one more thing that makes PromptZilla stand out is that you get private label rights with your purchase. That means you can rebrand it, resell it, include it in your offers, use it as a bonus, even mix it with your other digital products. It opens the door for all kinds of creative business opportunities. The only restriction is that you can't sell it on big PLR marketplaces like Warrior Plus or JVZoo. But if you've got your own audience or offer, it's a solid add-on or standalone product. The team behind PromptZilla really did a great job here. It's not a messy dump of prompts like some of the ones I've seen out there. This is a polished, professional system that makes AI way more effective, especially if you're someone who uses these tools daily or even occasionally. I've recommended it to a few people already, and the feedback has been super positive. If you're serious about leveling up your productivity, creativity, or content quality, PromptZilla is one of those investments that just makes sense. No more trial and error, no more random Googling, no more guessing what to type next. It's like having a cheat code to unlock the full power of AI right at your fingertips. I'll drop the link in the description below, and there's even a discount code available right now, PromptZilla 5 off, that takes $5 off the price. Not sure how long that's going to last, so if you're thinking about it, I'd grab it sooner rather than later. Anyway, That's it for today's video. If you found this helpful, give it a like, drop a comment if you've used PromptZilla or any other prompt tools, and don't forget to subscribe for more content like this. Appreciate you watching. See you in the next one.